심상치 않은 분위기의 한 남자.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, mate. Enjoy LA.
화려하고 밝지만 차가우면서 어둠이 공존하는 도시 LA. 이곳에 택시기사로 일하고 있는 맥스가 있습니다. 그는 오늘 밤 어떤 손님을 태우게 될지 상상도 하지 못한 채 평소처럼 일과를 시작합니다. 잠시 후 한 여성을 태우게 되는데
La Brea North to 6 into downtown.
We'll take the 105 east to the 110. That's faster.
What?
Once you get to La Brea north of Santa Monica.
Are we taking bets?
Are we?
Yeah, you got yourself a deal. Go ahead, say it.
Say what?
Lights, what you were was right. I was wrong. You mind turning that up?
둘은 생각보다 대화가 잘 통했고
Yeah, when you get that $5, buy you something special. Go wild.
Pride in being good at what you do?
This is part time.
What else?
Just shaping up some things. Limo company I'm putting together. Island Limo. How do you like being a lawyer?
What are you, psychic?
A little bit. Plus a top drawer briefcase that you live out of, a Bottega.
Oh, not quite. He worked defense. I'm a prosecutor.
그렇게 대화가 이어지던 중 어느새 목적지에 도착했습니다.
Got us here fast.
Of course. You like what you do?
I love standing in that courtroom. Clenched up thing the night before the first. I think I'm gonna lose. I think the case sucks. The new statement is gonna fall flat at the most important point. In the morning it starts, and I'm fine.
You need a vacation. My favorite spot. Maldives Island. It's my own private getaway. For me, I take 5 minutes out. Here, take
Oh
it.
no, I couldn't do that.
Take it.
Thanks, Max.
맥스는 그녀를 떠나보내고 너무나 아쉬워하는데
I don't know, argue cab routes.
이 남성의 이름은 빈센트. 그가 맥스의 다음 손님이었습니다.
How long do you think this will take?
7 minutes.
What do I get if you're wrong? Free ride?
Apology. I already offered him my free ride. First time in LA?
No. Tell you the truth, whenever I'm here, I can't wait. It's the biggest economy in the world, and nobody knows each other.
빈센트는 LA의 지하철에서 한 승객이 사망했는데 6시간 뒤에야 그 승객의 죽음을 주변인들이 눈치챘다는 사실에 대해 언급하며 이 도시가 너무 차갑다 말하죠.
How are the benefits?
Oh no, it's not that kind of job. This is just temporary.
What are the things you put together?
It's a little business plan.
You're one of these guys that do. That's cool.
목적지에 도착하고 빈센트는 자신을 부동산업자라 소개하는데
I got 5 stops to make. Collect signatures, see some friends.
5군데를 돌 테니 계속 이 택시를 이용하겠다 말합니다.
I'll make it 600.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, you do. Max, I'm Vincent.
All right.
그렇게 오늘 밤을 함께하게 된 이 둘.
Definitely nothing around here.
자신의 꿈인 리무진 차량을 보며 대기하고 있던 맥스.
Oh no! What the hell? Fuck. He fell from up there on the motherfucking cab. I think he's dead.
Good guess.
You killed him? Oh man, fuck this one.
Put your hands down.
Okay.
Okay, help me out. Pop the trunk.
What?
사실 빈센트의 정체는 전문 킬러였고
Tell me a dead guy. Grab his hands. Hey, why don't you just take the cab?
맥스는 이상 빈센트와 함께하고 싶지 않았으나
Get in the fucking car. You get in the car.
빈센트는 그를 놓아주지 않습니다. 뒤이어 현장에 도착한 한 남자.
Come on.
그는 살인 현장을 발견하게 되는데
This is Detective Fanny Narcotics.
이 남자의 이름은 패닝, 직업은 형사였습니다.
You gotta live with that. You focus on the job. Drive.
Drive you around while you go around killing people, man. That ain't.
Keep breathing. And stay calm.
You just met him once and you kill him like that?
Tens of thousands killed before sundown. I offer one fat Angelino and you throw a hissy fit. If it makes you feel any better, he was a criminal.
Pull over to the right.
Shit.
그런데 깨진 유리를 보고 경찰이 나타났고
And don't let me get cornered. You don't have the trunk space.
빈센트는 총을 겨누며 이 상황을 넘기라 지시하죠.
Okay, but yeah, second.
I'm pulling you over because your windshield smashed.
Hey, is this blood up here on your windshield?
Yeah, I hit a deer. Ran right in front of the car and I couldn't avoid it.
Yeah, but your cab's unsafe to drive and we have to impound it.
Is that really necessary, officer? I'm just a half a
Get
mile.
out the cab. Open the trunk. Come on.
이렇게 시체를 들킬 극악의 위기에 처하는데
Hey, partner, we gotta roll.
근처에 다른 사건이 발생하며 경찰들이 떠났습니다.
Hands on the wheel, 10 and 2.
맥스가 도망가지 못하게 속박하던 중 통신이 옵니다.
Who is that?
It's Lenny, just dispatch.
What happens if you don't?
He just keeps calling me.
Answer.
Yeah, Lenny, what's up? It's me.
Just got off the phone with the cops. They tell me you crashed your goddamn cab. Do I care what, where, or why? You're paying. Well, it's coming out of your goddamn
He's
pocket.
not paying you a damn thing.
Who the hell is this?
Albert Ricardo, Assistant U.S. Attorney, cab, and I'm reporting you to the DMV. General liability umbrella will cover the damage. Now, what are you trying to pull? You pulls this shit again, you're gonna stick this yellow cab up his fat ass.
I'm gonna have to stick this yellow cab up your fat ass. Shit. Hey! Hey, I'm in the cab!
빈센트가 없는 사이 맥스는 이곳을 빠져나가려 하는데 그의 외침을 듣고 남성 무리가 몰려옵니다.
I'm in the cab, man. I'm stuck. Thank you.
What's up, man? What's going on?
Look, I'm tied up in here. This guy.
Give me the fuck one.
그런데 이들은 사실 동네 양아치였고
Yeah.
오히려 물건을 훔치고 달아나는데
That my briefcase?
Your briefcase? Huh?
또다시 살인이 일어나고 말았습니다.
You attract attention, you're gonna get people killed who didn't need to be. Like Jazz?
Sorry, what?
Come on, finish up. Buy a drink.
This informant of yours, what's his name, Ramon?
한편 형사 패닝은 위장 잠입으로 끈아풀 라몬을 쫓다 그의 시신을 발견한 것이었고
Point is my guy flew out a window.
Crime here? A homicide? You got a body?
There's some spatter patterns over there and over here.
Recent?
You can still smell the court.
I saw a cab parked here earlier tonight.
Okay. Keep knocking.
Learn to listen to jazz.
Improvise tonight. Who's that on the trumpet?
It's Daniel, baby. He's the owner.
연주가 끝나자 빈센트는 데니얼을 테이블로 불렀고
Miles Davis. Through those doors, coolest man on the planet. Before you know it, he's up on the bandstand.
What a great story. I gotta tell the people in Kulikan.
그런데 사실 데니얼 또한 타겟이었죠.
Come on, Vincent. Give the dude a pass. Just play a little jazz. Come on.
Improvise. How's this? I'll ask a question. You get it right.
Go so far away, it'll be just like I laid on me.
Where did Miles learn music?
Sent Miles to Juilliard School of Music.
이번에도 살인이 일어납니다.
You played him, man. He got the answer right.
그때 또다시 통신이 오는데
Max, his mother's driving me crazy. Put him on the line. Your mother's calling every 10 minutes. Why didn't he show?
Show up for what?
She's in the hospital. I'm not taking you to see my mother.
Since when was any of this negotiable?
빈센트는 남은 임무에 지장이 없게 맥스의 일과를 지켜주었고
Flowers? Carried you in her womb for 9 months. Excuse me. Keep the change.
Calling and calling.
Yeah, well, I got caught up at where I brought you flowers.
What am I gonna do with flowers?
See what I mean? I didn't buy you the flowers, Mom. He did.
That company.
Mother, this is Vincent. Vincent, this is my mother, right?
To hold a gun to his head, make him do anything.
You know, I like to think of myself as his friend.
맥스는 어머니에게 자신이 리무진 회사를 운영 중이라 거짓말을 해준 상태였습니다.
Limousine companies.
What an achievement.
Visit again?
No, I'm just in town tonight.
빈틈을 노려 빈센트의 가방을 가지고 도주하는 맥스. 하지만 이내 따라잡히고 말자 빈센트의 가방을 날려버린 맥스. 한편 패닝은 조사를 위해 시신을 확인 중이었고
You know something funny about this, though? The kid and that last guy, both done by the same shooter. Double taps, a couple millimeters apart.
패닝은 같은 범인이 또 다른 사람까지 살해했음을 알게 되는데 살해당한 또 다른 자는 범죄자 전문 변호사였습니다.
Sylvester Clark, criminal attorney turned lawyer, the both of whom are in the exotic substances business.
이어 또 다른 희생자가 나올 수 있음을 직감하죠.
We're gonna go to a place called El Rodeo. Limos, huh?
Don't stop.
Yeah, right. Maybe she hears what you tell her.
Whatever I tell her is never good enough anyway.
They project onto you their flaws. Not a father like that.
What happened to your father?
Hated everything I did. Cab, temporarily, it's just all bullshit.
It's not just simply get the car and put asses in the seat. I want it to end. Perfect.
누가 뭐라 해도 맥스의 꿈은 진심이었고 어느새 다음 목적지에 도착하게 되는데
Go in, ask for Felix. He's expecting you.
I don't get it.
You destroyed my workups. You go in there, say you're me.
이번엔 현장에 맥스를 직접 보내려 했고
If I don't pull it off,
They will kill you. You got 10 minutes.
I can't.
What are you talking about? Sure you can, man. Come on.
How long you been doing this?
Why?
Just in case they ask.
그렇게 맥스는 빈센트인 척 현장으로 진입합니다.
All right, it's clear. I'm here to see Felix. He has something for me. Then say it's Vincent.
¿Por qué no puerta enfrente que dice que es Benson? Duerme right now.
한편 패닝도 조사를 이어가고 있었고
Any unusual activity tonight?
Like what? Attorney and his client.
Can you zoom in on this, please?
On what?
Look at that right there.
What is it?
5 Queen 4996.
I thought you'd be taller. I hit on meet you. Now you're here.
I lost my stuff. The list.
Special groups put together the list of those. A very expensive counterintelligence. And you lost it?
Sorry.
Sorry, that's not put Humpty Dumpty back together again. Tell me, Vincent. Tell me what you think.
I should tell the guy to put that gun down before I take it and beat his bitch ass to death with it.
이판사판으로 혼신의 연기를 하는 맥스.
I picked up a tail. That's why I tossed the list. Yo, Hermes Fasanabla ass. What do you think I like coming in here? Shit happens. The fat man, the penthouse guy, the jazz man. That leaves two.
Can you finish?
When have I not?
The last two.
그렇게 맥스는 임무를 달성할 수 있었고
Si algo sale mal, te lo quiebras. Desde claro.
Vegas odds would have been against you walking out of there. 6th Street by Alexandria, a club called Fever. You know it?
Vincent?
Email me his license. Hey, is there anybody else in that cab? African American, medium build.
그런데 조사는 맥스가 범인으로 흘러가고 있었고
This guy's been driving that cab for 12 years. Changes into a meat eater super assassin.
He's in there talking to the bad guy.
There's something else going on.
It's their game. There's nothing in it for us.
패닉만이 현 상황에 의구심을 가집니다.
Witnesses in a club called Fever, 6th and Alexandria.
LA 105 to LA 101.
You gonna call her?
Who?
You know, your lady friend, the one who gave you. Pick up the phone. Life's short. One day, you and I make it out of this alive. You should call her.
Leave you where you stood before.
잠시의 평화 속 FBI가 어느새 이들을 따라잡았고
There he is. Hit it.
맥스와 빈센트 또한 목적지에 도착합니다.
The table towards the back is where he hangs.
Clean shot. Watch your back. Watch your back.
FBI도 패닝도 모두가 몰려든 이 상황.
Innocent bystanders get the first rounds. Clear?
빈센트는 경호원들의 위치부터 체크했고
There's Lynn. Second booth to the left. Get him out of here. Middle of the dance floor. There's Vincent. Freeze, Vincent!
FBI, where's Peter? I'm not Vincent!
총소리에 클럽은 아수라장이 되었습니다. 결국 타겟을 제거하는 데 성공했고 빈센트는 맥스를 데리고 가려는 패닝도 사살해버리죠.
No, drive! Drive! You're alive. I saved you. You wanna talk? Fuck off.
You had to kill Fanning?
The fuck is Fanning?
Fanning, the cop.
What I do for a living.
Some living.
이제 남은 타겟은 단 한 명. 이어 빈센트 또한 타겟의 연관성에 대해 눈치챘고 이는 그저 누군가 자신의 죄를 회피하기 위해 암살을 의뢰한 상황이었죠.
Probably some major federal indictment of somebody who majorly does not want to get good reasons, no bad reason to live or to die. A speck on one. That's us, lost in space.
What's with you?
맥스는 아무렇지 않은 태도의 빈센트에게 일침을 날립니다.
Low. Standard parts that are supposed to be there when people in you.
Gab is not I get back. Sigmund Freud was Dr. Gab. The little company someday my dream will come. It never will. Suddenly you are old, hypnotized by daytime TV for the rest of that girl. You can't even call that girl.
갑자기 서로의 신경을 긁는 말들이 오갔고
Because I never straightened up and looked at it. You know?
Slow down.
I could have done anything I wanted to.
Red light.
All insignificant out here in this big ass nowhere. The badass sociopath in my backseat. One thing I gotta thank you for, bro, because until now I never looked at it that way.
Slow down.
What? Shoot. Huh? Well, shoot my ass in. Huh? Go fuck yourself.
Well, that was brilliant.
Didn't have my seatbelt on.
경찰이 나타나자 빈센트는 사라져버렸죠.
Sure. Are you okay? What happened? Relax and breathe.
그때 트렁크에 있는 시신을 발견했고
Put your hands up. Face the cab. Don't move. Put your hands behind your head. 1L20, I need a back.
그런데 빈센트의 마지막 타겟은 애니 검사였고
Get back! Put your hands down. Somebody's gonna get killed if I don't go right now. Go to. Pick up. Come on, come on.
U.S. Attorney's Office.
Annie.
Yes.
Listen to me, Annie. Damon Vincent. He's coming to kill you. Okay, or people that Felix worked. He's already killed witnesses. He's coming to kill you.
Max.
Wait. He's 2 floors below you. Corner office. Listen, just stay there and just call the police. Just call the police. And
Max.
건물을 정전시키자 경찰과의 연락이 끊어져 버렸고 주변이 조용해진 것을 느낀 애니
Max? Why? What are you gonna do about it?
stay up. Wait.
I do this for a living!
그런데 맥스가 쏜 총이 치명타가 되었고 최후를 직감한 듯 빈센트는 자리에 앉습니다.
Guy gets on the MTA here in LA, dies. They get it right on notice.
빈센트의 죽음을 모른 채 똑같이 운행하는 열차를 끝으로 영화는 막을 내립니다. 대규모의 공연이 진행 중인 헝가리의 부다페스트. 이곳에 뒷세계를 주름잡는 한 조직의 보스가 나타나는데 그리고 이를 지켜보는 오늘의 주인공 조. 그는 세계에서도 최고로 손꼽히는 전설의 킬러였습니다.
Joseph, I meant to remind you.
Well, at least the carpet's red.
Сколько по ней не заплатили?
Вот и игры.
그런데 그는 갑자기 극심한 두통을 느꼈고 뒤늦게 그의 부하들이 이 상황을 알아차렸습니다.
Come on, let's get out of here. Are you okay?
Hey, what's your name?
Joe.
Are you okay? Hey, do you have water, please?
하지만 조는 그새 사라져버렸습니다. 돌아와 보니 실수로 댄서의 핸드폰을 챙긴 조. 두통이 심했던 그는 다음날 병원에 검사를 받으러 갔습니다.
Okay, there's nothing here to indicate any tumors. It's one hell of a resume you got there. You know, in all the years, Joe, how many hits to the head do you think you've taken?
Yeah, I guess I've had my bell rung a few times.
It might be time to reevaluate your lifestyle, Sergeant Flood. I'll run some more tests.
이어 자신의 브로커 지비를 만나러 왔고
Doctors. What do doctors know?
I know. Sometimes I ask myself, the hell do I do? What will they say about me when someone takes me off?
Judgment to God. You need a vacation. Get some sun. Meet a nice girl.
지비는 생각이 많아 보이는 조에게 휴가를 주죠. 조는 휴대폰을 돌려주기 위해 댄서를 찾아왔고
Belongs to one of your dancers.
Hi.
Hey.
Joe?
Yeah.
Oh, you really are a lifesaver.
First time I've heard that.
Can I buy you dinner? You know, just as a, I'll just give you my number. So call me
Maze.
Macy.
Macy.
Pourquoi?
그렇게 메이시에게 데이트 요청을 받게 되었죠.
Sup, girl? No. Love to. Send. Where do you put it all?
6 shows a week. I cannot do that on salary and rice cakes. How did you end up here?
Work.
What do you do now?
Retirement planning.
Sisters are like boxers. Father Time remains undefeated. I was thinking, when I retire, I could start a dance school for kids like me. Well, if that doesn't work out, I can always become a cat burglar. Did you just laugh?
No.
메이시의 통통 튀는 매력은 조의 마음도 움직였고 행복한 일상이 이어졌지만 아직 킬러임을 밝히지 못한 조.
She's a dancer.
You got a name?
Yeah, her name's Maisie.
Maisie. Are you serious about it?
Yeah, serious enough to get out of the game before she finds me.
You play by the rules. Kids, no innocent bystanders. We can make it happen.
Then I'm out.
지비는 흔쾌히 조의 은퇴를 도와주겠다 말했고
And, got a favor to ask. I told her I'd invite friends. I thought you and Sharon might want to...
Chaim.
Okay.
얼마 후 메이시와 지비 모두 함께하는 자리가 생겼죠. 그런데 그의 두통은 여전히 지속되고 있었고
I've known Joseph for 20 years. He's crazy about you. Need to be a chef in his kitchen. A freak in his bed.
It makes her happy. Look.
Really, really bad. Let him pop it in the tray.
I miss.
Sharon was just giving me some very insightful.
I surrender. If you're getting serious with Maisie, tell her what you do. Play by the rules. Women respect integrity.
고민할 틈도 없이 병원의 검사 결과가 나왔는데
I'm afraid I've got some bad news, Joe. It's a neurodegenerative disorder. It means rapid motor neuron disintegration, blindness, and diminished mental capacity. Tested by 3 separate labs, and I got the same result.
Okay.
There is no cure.
How long do I have?
Best case, 3 months. Things we can do to make it easier. Maya and Joe, I'm really sorry.
Speech impairments, voluntary movement, shaking hands.
이제야 삶의 의미를 찾은 조에게 너무나도 절망적인 소식이었고 그는 정해진 운명에 남은 생을 메이시를 위해 쓰기로 합니다.
I need someone retired. Need a nice clean job.
What?
Me. I'm the target. I got a disease. No, I'm getting the shakes. A little over $500,000 in mixed currency and gold coins. It all goes to Maisie through the life insurance. Life insurance won't pay out for a suicide. You too, Sue.
No.
I've lived by the sword.
You fight for your life.
Svi, I'm asking you for your help. What I've decided.
Fucking Earth, I'm ordering a hit on you.
조를 너무나도 아꼈던 지비는 그의 제안을 거절했고
Thank you.
결국 조는 또 다른 전문가를 찾아가게 되죠.
What brings Joe Flood to my door?
I need a contract executed.
그녀의 이름은 앙투아네트, 업계의 또 다른 큰손이었고
Who do you want retired?
Me.
2 million?
I want it done clean. Who are you thinking of?
But they'll be the very best. Thought about doing this for years. I kill you and get paid.
Give me till 2,400 hours.
이번 의뢰는 성공적으로 승낙되었죠.
Who's available in the assassin app?
$2 million for Joe Flood.
Ooh, love doll.
러브달이 거절하자 그녀는 한국 킬러들과 헝가리 킬러들을 고용합니다.
$2 million. That's real money.
What's going on? I'm tired.
I have to leave town for a few weeks. I'm not sure I'm coming back.
What does that mean? You're talking crazy. Break means breaking up, Joe.
It's over, Maisie.
What? Why?
I'm sorry.
Remember me this way. When you're on your deathbed, remember what you throw away.
I will.
그렇게 메이시에게 이별을 고했고
부타페스트 졸라 이쁘다.
어느새 킬러들은 그가 있는 곳으로 몰려들기 시작했습니다.
Maisie, by the time you get this, I'll be gone. I want you to know that I'm speaking the truth. I can't even say it, Maisie. I've got a brain disorder. It's you I've been looking for my entire life.
그런데 잠시 후 충격적인 진실이 밝혀지는데
Oh, Flood, thank God. There's been a mistake. They switched labels with another patient. I think you should consider a lawsuit against the lab. You're not going to die.
Give me till 2400 hours. I'm gonna have to call you back.
사실 그는 죽을 병이 아니었지만 이미 킬러들은 예고한 시간이 지나 그를 잡으러 도착해버렸죠.
왜 이렇게 어두워?
선글라스를 벗어라.
조심해. 플라드!
Go Young. This was a mistake.
Fuck you!
상황을 설명했음에도 한국 킬러들은 멈출 생각이 없었죠.
개새끼가! 아이 깜짝이야!
You should have walked. Joga, Go Young.
여보세요, 고양.
Sorry, Korean's a little rusty, but keep the $2 million. Yeah, I'm the client, and I'm telling you to cancel.
하지만 평소 조에게 원한이 있던 앙투아네트는 이번 기회에 그를 처리하려 했고
I'm calling in every hit on Europe, you hear me?
Will you tell them to pack light? They won't fucking be staying long. Maisie, I'm in trouble. You go wherever you want. Just get out of Budapest.
이어 헝가리의 킬러들이 공격해 왔죠.
I know how it works.
I'm going to expand the field of vendors. Double Supreme. I want your Flood dead.
그녀는 현상금을 2배로 올렸고
Fucking million motherfucking dollars.
The content is a tie.
Joey Flood. $4 million. $4 million.
Another delivery in Budapest. This party is dead.
어서 찍어.
Been expecting you. You weren't followed.
No.
수많은 S급 킬러들이 몰려들 것을 알기에 조 또한 어느 정도 대비가 필요했고
You're on the news. 5 dead Koreans.
The doctor's fucked up. I'm gonna live.
You kill Antoinette, that's a violation.
I'm gonna bring them all into one place and take them all out. And I'm gonna need a gun.
Well, I don't have one here.
You don't have anything? Explosives? That's it? Well, if we're gonna bring them all to me, we gotta be slick.
The brother is intractable.
Flood has a girlfriend. Make sure he doesn't leave Budapest alive. Your driver, he's my cousin. He's a bit green. I'd appreciate it.
Yo, you mad man, a love dog. Do not be Queen bitch's cousin. Take my shit and let's go. You want me to take your bag? Long journey, bro. You relax, man. Real my father, man, I get
Sharon. You've paralyzed the poor man.
Oh my god. I can see clearly. Karen! You're a saint!
샤론 덕분에 조는 완전한 컨디션을 되찾을 수 있었고
I thought I told you to turn that shit off.
I'm stone cold, motherfucker. Me and you, yeah, could be like the new dynamic duo.
Fuck up, will you? Just a minute, please. You done good, good, Flood.
조의 음성을 확인한 메이 씨는 재빨리 짐을 싸는데
Hey now, baby girl.
러브달이 한 발 더 빠르게 움직였죠.
Some old castle on the mountain road between here and Prague.
Notify the hitters and call up your mercenary, but he can't fight an army too.
Location update.
Schützburger Castle. Your plan worked. Antoinette posted a change of location.
조는 계획대로 킬러들을 한 장소로 모았고 조는 이곳에서 모든 것을 끝낼 준비를 했죠.
Sweetheart, what you really know about Flood? Most prolific professional hitman in
Then you better hope he doesn't find you.
가장 먼저 도착한 자들은 맥켄지 형제였고
Now let's not get into any bollocks, Charlotte Further, eh?
Here we fucking go. Fucking.
Daddy's home! What's the matter? Things slow at the pub? Hey! Hey, big brother!
Looks like the party's already started.
Jesus, what'd you kick me for? You so like it.
Be alright, Ronnie, it's just a scratch!
Hey, Flood! I heard you're looking for a good time. Bloody hell!
한숨 돌릴 틈도 없이 바로 보타스가 나타났고
Por favor.
She got lottie-dottie everybody. You stay here in the rear. Don't let her get away from you.
Drama, man.
No mas botas. Maisie? Sorry, wish it were. Where's Maisie? I don't want to. All I want to do is collect. Me for her. That's the real. Looks like you got some more guests arriving. I killed a fucking doctor too.
이어 도착한 자들은 앙투아네트의 조직원들이었고
Go in through the front and flush him out.
Yes, sir.
이곳에서 수많은 적들을 상대해야 했죠.
Go.
Hey, my legs are asleep.
So?
Let me walk around a minute.
You're not gonna run. Not gonna go anywhere. You're just gonna chill.
Hit the stool, jump out the fucking car then. Yeah, alright. Take my hand.
조는 무사히 밖으로 나오는 데 성공했는데
Not disappoint. Where's Maisie? Me for her. That's the deal. I'm gonna call my associate and have her brought down.
그런데
Get in the car!
How the hell the bitch get your car?
I let her out the car just for like a minute, and then just want to say that I don't really think that I'm cut out for.
Do you think I killed him?
I hope so.
조는 그간의 사연을 메이시에게 설명했고
I thought I was dying.
What?
Maisie, I'm a hitman.
You killed people?
We don't kill civilians. Just criminals.
I'm pregnant, Joe. I tried to tell you the other night, but you broke up. Love me, and the rest we'll figure out as we go, okay?
Hey, Maisie.
그런데 메이시는 도주 중 총알에 맞은 상태였고
Shit. You call him.
그는 근처에 있는 어느 성당으로 향합니다.
Maisie.
Perhaps I can be of some assistance.
그런데 그 순간 메이시가 정신을 차렸고
I was gonna lose you.
have to try harder than that.
Will you marry me? Yeah. Father, will you marry us?
그렇게 둘은 갑자기 결혼식을 올리게 되죠.
On one condition. You must give confession.
There was a chief of a Corsican crime syndicate, a Romanian arms dealer, that was hand-to-hand, a Russian oligarch in Vienna. And last night there was an entire Goyan crew.
I'm qualified to pardon all of this.
Asked for a confession.
My mouth shut if we're both being honest here. Ego te absolvo, I absolve you. I don't suppose you have a ring, do you?
Well, let's do.
As long as the grenade is far away. For as long as you shall live.
I do.
I don't know about obey.
Maisie. Shit!
그 순간 조를 쫓던 자들이 이곳까지 쫓아왔고
Joe.
I gotta finish this.
Come on! This is what you wanted, isn't it? Flood! Think there's a happily ever after? Guys like us killed that bitch too.
Unlucky. Or you go out on your...
위기의 순간에 메이시가 조를 구하는 데 성공합니다.
Fuck this.
No better than to run.
Your boy hasn't left me any choice.
Just like your father, you broke the rules. Don't hate the player.
Funds for the church renovation. Much appreciated, Joe.
얼떨결에 모든 킬러의 표적이 되어버린 최강 킬러의 이야기.
Congratulations.
영화 더 킬러스 게임이었습니다. 딸의 결혼식을 맞이하게 된 브라질의 한 마피아 보스.
I want to propose a toast. Wonderful man in the world, Papa.
결혼식은 점점 무르익어가고
Mama, yeah, surely call you blue.
그때 등장한 한 웨이터.
Stop. Mama, call you blue. Surely
Get more towels. Be right back.
순식간에 보스를 암살해버리는데 완벽하게 임무를 성공하고 집으로 돌아온 킬러. 그의 이름은 빈센트로 업계에서 소문난 실력자였고 거북이 한 마리를 키우고 있었는데요. 이 거북이는 언제나 사람의 손길을 피했습니다. 그리고 여기 또 한 명의 전설의 킬러가 있었으니
Gabby at the store said there was a man in town.
Okay, thanks, Mrs. Pavlovsky.
이 남자의 이름은 플린트였습니다.
How did you find me?
It's just a hunch. There's no way I could have been followed. There's a job.
I'm out of the business.
Target's Polo. He's being released. I'm willing to bet he either cut a deal or snitched on someone.
New administration. Maybe Interpol cleaning house.
플린트는 인터폴에게 쫓기고 있는 신세였는데 사실 플린트와 인터폴 사이엔 악연이 있었죠.
The comatose wife in tow can elude you for how many years now?
Is Flint really that much of a problem? He shows we could easily take him out.
이들은 인터폴 소속이지만 비리 경찰들이었고
You got your share. Shut up.
It's about this whole mess will start at the end of the month.
과거 플린트를 고용했으나 비리가 들통날 위험에 처하자 이젠 플린트를 제거하려 했고 그 미끼로 플린트가 원한을 가지고 있는 폴로를 이용하려 했습니다.
So what do we do?
Find Flint, take him out.
Oh, you mean Polo?
It's personal. He's obsessed. Let's use that.
한편 빈센트는 새로운 임무를 받게 되었고
Welcome, my friend. The Bulgarians send their thanks. Today's value exactly 550,000. And even better news, another potential contract. Polo Yakir, a well-connected gentleman of difficult job. He's being released today.
And the client?
Wishes to remain anonymous.
그런데 빈센트의 이번 타겟은 플린트의 원수 폴로였죠. 그리고 오늘 석방하게 된 폴로.
Welcome home. There's my brother. He got picked up. Fine.
한편 의뢰를 듣고 고민하던 플린트. 그에게는 사랑하는 아내가 있지만 지금은 식물인간의 상태였는데 그 모든 것은 폴로와의 악연에서 시작된 것이었습니다. 과거 특수부대의 정예요원이었던 플린트는 범죄 조직을 소탕하다 폴로에게 큰 타격을 입혔었고 이에 폴로가 그에게 보복하며 요원이었던 그가 암살자로 타락하게 된 계기가 되었던 것이었죠.
I'll take the Polo job.
It's off the market.
I don't care about the money. Just give me the intel, maybe some gear.
You know, this type of money, I'm sure there's serious people on board.
Oh, wait, he's gonna come after me to finish the job. No, it's better if I hit him first.
All right.
플린트는 질긴 악연을 끝내야겠다 결심합니다.
When I'm back, all the shit better be inside, unpacked. Hey, how you doing?
We're your new neighbors, Tober and me. I'm looking to expanding my business. I'm thinking about
I doubt it.
그리고 점점 D-Day는 다가오고 있었고
Looks like Polo's brother Dante's gonna walk at the trial tomorrow.
Good idea. Yeah, Flint will have his ears to the ground.
Just say our friend might be visiting a downtown courthouse tomorrow.
Municipal courthouse.
Sure you want to go through with it?
Worry about me, Mom.
같은 타겟을 위해 움직이기 시작하는 두 남자. 그런데 중요한 순간 빈센트와 타이밍이 겹치고 말았고 결국 폴로가 아닌 그의 동생이 죽고 말았습니다. 플린트가 직접 나서 마무리하려 하지만 끝내 폴로를 처리하는데 실패하고 말았죠. 겨우 탈출에 성공했으나 이번 사건은 오히려 폴로의 분노를 샀고
It was poison tipped very fast ahead. The animal that killed my brother. Carve out his eyes. Come on, we have work to do.
빈센트는 생전 처음 임무에 실패하는 경험을 겪었습니다.
Disturbing me. Go. You okay?
그러나 그는 옥토버가 신경 쓰였고
I'm trying to practice.
I'm locked out.
결국 그녀를 자신의 집으로 들입니다.
Please on. What help?
The contract remains open.
Wait. There was another shooter. I thought it was exclusive.
브로커는 이번 사건에 겹친 킬러의 정체를 알려주었고
You need to leave now.
Can I stay here just for tonight?
You need to be gone in the morning. Okay?
그 시각 플린트는 정보를 얻기 위해 폴로의 공장을 노립니다. 그런데 그는 이곳에서 예상치 못한 인물을 만나는데요.
Contract is mine. Exclusive.
Blocked my shop.
You made me miss.
We're both professionals. Sure we can come to some sort of understanding? Best way for us to get him is if we work together.
플린트는 돈에 욕심이 없었기에 빈센트를 설득했고
I got history with Polo. You'll never find him. Like I said, I got history with Polo.
심지어 전에 폴로를 쫓았던 그는 더 많은 정보를 가지고 있었죠.
Guy who makes his hardware.
빈센트도 그의 제안에 손해볼 게 없다 판단했고 이들은 다음 정보망인 무기 제공자를 찾아갑니다.
Careful, that's a $500,000 piece of equipment. What do you want?
Holy shit, you remember me. That's good.
I have no idea where he is.
Memorize a pattern.
Hey! Okay, hey, I'll tell you. Thursday and Friday, he'll be at the Royal Grand.
Good. What the hell was that? I had a plan. Polo saying he's got a line on the guy that killed his...
You didn't tell me that. If you want a partner, you get to learn how to communicate better.
불안정한 둘의 협력 관계.
I'll get my people to confirm his info, okay?
We'll meet. Figure it out.
한편 폴로 또한 가만히 있지 않았는데요.
What? Reached out to a guy at the courthouse. Get this out to everybody.
Wake up. Get out.
Fine.
What are you doing?
빈센트는 거북이가 처음으로 반응하는 것이 신기했고
Come here. I'll show you. Pat him right here.
Amazing. Wait. You should put something on your back.
그는 매우 오랜만에 사람과 소통하는 감정을 느끼게 됩니다. 한편 여전히 플린트를 잡지 못한 인터폴.
But I want him dead. I don't care what it takes. I'll personally turn the two of you in.
Polo isn't in on it. You want to make that head case our partner.
그런데 이번엔 폴로가 브로커를 찾아왔고
You Nalbandian? At your service. Who's the hitters are? Everything. Tell me before I start hurting you. Gentlemen. Agent Godfrey. Schemes aren't getting any smarter.
Immunity. Lifetime guarantee by both the EU and the US government. Helping to intercept Roland Flint.
미리 대기 중이던 인터폴이 폴로에게 협력을 제안합니다.
One condition.
What?
I want the man who killed my brother. Unless the price is right.
You feel better?
Would you kill me if someone offered you enough money?
People choose their death when they choose how they live.
Does that let you sleep at night?
Of course, you just follow orders.
I serve a function.
I get it. A service provider. You can get out of the life anytime you want. You choose not.
Going out.
빈센트는 또다시 브로커를 만나게 되었고
What's going on? We have a new offer. We bring your new friend to a specific place at a specific time. You will lead him in, put him at ease. It's good to have friends, but this is a dangerous friend to have. The money is real.
Where do I take him?
City Hall.
플린트를 넘기기로 결정한 빈센트.
My source says Polo's meeting a councilman. I worry about you.
What?
You care too much.
You never really cared about anyone. And were you ever really alive?
You sound like someone I know.
Jess.
Do you dream?
It will come soon enough. And you?
Just want out of the city. With someone I can trust. Light a candle for me when I'm gone.
점점 옥토버에게 미묘한 감정을 느끼게 되죠.
Wait! Be careful.
빈센트의 말대로 이곳에 폴로가 나타났고 플린트는 완벽한 기회라 생각했지만 사실 이 모든 것이 그를 잡기 위한 함정이었죠. 플린트는 이제야 속았다는 사실을 깨달았고
Client is very pleased. I have another prospect.
I'm going to take some time off.
그때 걸려온 전화 한 통.
My friend.
Hello.
Your friend has been a lovely hostess. I love my brother very much.
In exchange, you for her. You're wrong about me. I'm not a prisoner of anything. You went behind my back.
You're overreacting.
Tell me where the money is. I'll make it quick.
플린트는 전에 인터폴에 검은 돈을 숨겨둔 상황이었고
He can make this last quite a while.
이들은 협박으로 그 위치를 알아내려고 합니다. 잠시 후 집으로 돌아온 빈센트. 처참하게 죽임을 당한 옥토버를 보고 그는 평소 느끼지 못한 분노를 느끼게 됩니다.
I was hoping you'd reconsider.
I need to know where they took Flint. If I don't feel, am I really alive?
I don't want payment. Listed his cousin's old factory as a suitable place to.
Where's the money? Where's the money? I won't ask again. Finish it.
Just hold it together.
You should let me be. You set me up.
Was a mistake. I came back.
그렇게 또다시 협력하게 된 두 사람.
I need you to get Anna out of the house right now. Line was cut.
Hello?
Turn around.
하지만 폴로가 더 빠르게 움직였습니다.
Hello?
Goodbye.
They drew the curtains.
At least two at the front. Grenades.
My wife's in there.
그때 플린트에게 연락 하나가 오는데
Mr. Flint, check your webcam. We're gonna make this real simple. Anna, in 15 minutes, I let you watch while I skin her alive. 15 minutes.
결국 일단은 폴로의 말을 따를 수밖에 없었죠.
The thing about fairy tale endings is that they're bullshit.
I have money.
Can bring my brother back.
I have 12 million. Show him. I got 10 times more hidden inside. You let me leave, and I'll show it to you.
What are you doing?
What?
그런데 빈센트는 혼자 이곳을 빠져나가려 하는데
Telling me that's fucking life?
사실 이는 계획된 작전이었고 전에 무기상에게 얻었던 무기가 작전의 핵심이었죠. 순식간에 이곳에 있는 적들을 모두 제압시켰고
It's yours. Get up. I beg. Fuck you. Please forgive me. I can't forgive me! There's just one problem. You can't.
끝내 길고 긴 악연을 끝낼 수 있었던 플린트.
It's over. Not yet.
폴로와 함께 이 일의 모든 배우였던 인터폴 인원들. 복수를 완전히 끝마칠 수 있었고
It's a new procedure, and it is quite expensive.
아내의 회복 수술을 진행하는 플린트와 옥토버를 위해 촛불을 켜는 빈센트. 빈센트의 눈물과 함께 영화는 막을 내립니다.
Less than 1% of the population is psychopath. Manage their relationships with clinical precision. Rare as a black swan. Always had more ambition than your brother.
He's just trying to impress you.
악명 높은 민간 군사기업 블랙스완. 이들은 오늘 한 마을을 소각해내는 업무를 받았고
Need that village cleared today, all right?
잠시 후 작전이 시작되고
Enemy front!
마을은 순식간에 점령되고 말았습니다. 그런데 이들의 잔혹한 행동을 모두 촬영하는 한 소녀가 있었죠.
Welcome home, Thomas.
오늘의 주인공인 톰은 SAS 특수부대 요원이었고 상당한 재력을 가진 금수저 집안의 출신이었죠. 한편 소녀가 촬영한 영상이 제보되며 블랙스완은 뉴스에 나오게 되었고
Links to alleged atrocities in the Republic of Georgia. The family is reported to be living in North London. The area where it happened is known as the corridor for transnational.
이 사건은 그동안 블랙스완으로 더러운 일을 처리해온 영국 수상에게도 전해집니다.
He stands trial. Lewis will say we sanctioned it.
영국 수상은 꼬리 자르기에 들어갈 수밖에 없었고
I cannot be seen to protect a war criminal. Lewis will have prepared for that too.
그 시각 톰은 여자친구 소피가 일하고 있는 병원에 방문했죠.
Surprise?
First class ticket to Paris. Flights at 1:30 tomorrow.
Lovely, but
I rang Dr. Wells. She agreed to take your shifts. You've been dying to go to Paris.
I've been dying to spend some time with Tom. Stop. I haven't said yes yet.
Don't be late.
그레이스 또한 수상의 움직임에 대해 파악했고
I just got a message. The SAS is about to move on us. After all these years, you're still not one of them. Clemens was just using us anyway.
This government is addicted to what we do for them.
I'd seen that girl with the phone.
Next time.
톰 또한 이번 블랙스완 소탕 작전에 투입되어 그들의 본거지로 향했고
I'm with the Heath and Hampstead Society.
Thanks, but we're not interested. Gonna have to ask you to leave. I'm a bit tired. If you don't mind.
How many months are you?
6?
Boy or a girl?
They can't tell yet.
Determine the sex of a child at 3 months. Red one, I'm compromised out here. Fake belly with concealing an automatic short. Front.
All crew front. This is Alpha. I have control.
Let the smoke down now!
SAS와 블랙스완의 교전이 이어집니다.
Cannot make entry.
Shit!
Stop it! Stop it!
그런데 이곳엔 그레이스는 없고 루이스뿐이었죠.
Lewis confirmed. Dining room.
Any eyes on Grace?
Unsighted.
Sierra 1. Moving up the stairwell.
톰이 그레이스를 찾기 위해 위로 올라간 사이
Just in time for lunch.
Wait, fuck off and do your job. Stitched up by a kid with a mobile.
Grace is good value.
In what way?
Well, she's like me, only better.
Grace isn't joining us for lunch, is she, Lewis? Everyone is replaceable, even a black swan.
Stand still! Stand still!
루이스를 사살하는 데 성공했지만 그레이스의 행방은 알 수가 없었습니다.
Grace isn't dead, boss. They knew we were coming. The only question is how.
Order stands and get that sorted.
톰은 SAS에 내부자가 있다 의심하게 되었고
Do they not have doctors in the SAS? You sure you don't want anything for the pain?
Nah.
Do you want to talk about it?
사실 톰은 사이코패스적인 성향을 가지고 있었고 소피는 이를 계속 걱정해왔습니다.
What do you want me to say?
I don't know, Tom. It's so different.
That's what makes it work.
But I don't understand you.
And let's talk about this in Paris.
Only if you're willing to really talk.
Absolutely.
There's something seriously wrong with you, Tom Buckingham.
얼마 후 톰과 소피는 파리로 가는 열차에 탑승했고
Where are you traveling today? We're going to Paris.
Right here.
좌석으로 가니 신문이 하나 있었는데
Unfinished business?
Nah, the lads will sort it out.
그런데 이 열차엔 상상도 하지 못할 존재가 타고 있었는데요. 바로 변장을 하고 있던 그레이스였습니다.
Is anyone there? I'm sorry, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to come in.
그리고 톰은 화장실을 가던 중 그녀를 발견하게 되고
Anyone in there? I'm Grace Lewis on the Eurostream to Paris Gare du Nord.
톰은 이 사실을 SAS에도 보고하는데 그 시각 소피는 열차에 있는 한 노인과 대화를 나누고 있었죠.
His only flaw. I'd marry him tomorrow.
Aren't you having one?
Sure.
Well, this time, before I do anything, I need eyes on Grace. Have Tom confirm it.
Married 53 years and I still don't understand
I don't know, we're just so different. I tell you what he did to my dead cat. Brought her in my flat, draped over his arm, her in the freezer until we got back from holiday.
그리고 움직이기 시작하는 그레이스와 블랙스완.
Getting eyes on the flashpoints now.
And the kit?
Relax. I got you.
이곳에서 무언가 작전을 준비하는 블랙스완.
Short, sharp commands.
이를 톰이 발견하게 되고
Everybody back.
순식간에 열차는 아수라장이 되고 말았습니다.
Oh, I've got some glass in my leg.
Just keep still. It's gonna be all right.
He's armed and skilled. Check the tunnel, check the train.
Everybody sit down! Don't you fucking move! Stay down! Everyone remain calm. Back in your seats. Keep your hands above your heads. Sit the fuck down!
톰은 열차를 몰래 빠져나오는 데 성공했고
Need you outside. Yep, line now.
또다시 이 상황을 보고합니다.
But it's not an escape, it's an attack.
About 2 swans all armed.
Should just wait till we get there.
No time. Text me when you're on site.
If you attempt to disembark, you'll be shot and killed. What you're told, when you're told.
SAS 요원들도 움직이기 시작했고 그 시각 톰을 찾고 있던 블랙스완 인원들 그는 소피를 구하기 위해 움직이고 있었죠.
In your own time, sir.
In your own time, gentlemen.
소피는 남의 핸드폰을 대신 제출했고
Multiple sources are telling us that a Eurostream, when it was commandeered in the Channel Tunnel, would be a major incident on British soil.
Anyone have any medical training on this train, huh? You get a doctor?
Papa 1-4, on final approach to the tunnel.
자사했던 소피가 그레이스 앞에 끌려가게 되죠.
I'm a doctor.
You, fix it?
If I can get a trauma kit and some running water, then yeah.
Red 2, UK-bound tunnel compromised by fire.
All call signs. This is Alpha.
Can we have some privacy, please?
Red 3, fire door is obstructed. Any word from Tom?
I'm waiting on a call back, boss.
Right, listen in. Stand to the emergency response. I want the team in now.
We've just set up. No idea where she is. My job is to rescue hostages.
Not today. Hit that train now. You are going to initiate the emergency response, and you are going to kill Grace. Do you understand?
Shit.
Not right now, if you don't mind. Let's go to the toilet. I'll get you down.
I need to stay here and help the wounded. I'm staying here.
On this train, you will die.
I am not leaving.
소피는 대신 다친 소녀를 구해달라 말했고
Okay, come on. Quickly.
Oi! Open the door!
Jesus Christ.
Open the door!
Knock me out.
Open this door! Kid escaped!
그 시각 SAS 대원들이 열차를 습격하는데
Grenade! Grenade! Grenade!
무리한 공격은 실패로 돌아가고 말았죠.
Player breached in, smashed the doctor, lifted the kid.
Well, that was a gang fuck.
Who's down? It up.
I told you it was too soon.
And I told you I wanted Grace dead.
On the roof of the train, when he would smash us.
He's right, it was a trap.
그 순간 그레이스가 통신을 요청해 왔고
I want to speak to the ground commander. They were left with only two options.
Which are?
Wire $500 million to an account of my designation.
또 다른 하나는 수상이 자신들을 고용한 사실을 밝히는 것이었죠.
I want 100 hostages released as a show of good faith.
And bring Clemens.
What you fucking looking at?
Ta femme?
Elle le saura. Je vais lui donner ça quand on sera à Paris.
You know she only wants you in there so she can kill you, right?
Yeah.
How are you gonna do that?
Find out when we get there.
Je te dirai, vas-y, reste-toi glissé et sois pas dessus.
Ne t'arrête pas avant. Je fasse ma demande de mariage.
To the rear cockpit! Go, go, go!
Where's the player?
He saved the girl.
톰 덕분에 소녀는 무사히 구조되었고
Why'd you help that man break inside the train? Are you his wife?
This isn't her phone.
Just where is he?
I don't know.
숨어있던 톰은 수상한 행동을 하는 블랙스완들을 발견하죠.
Looks like we have the clearance.
그 시각 클레멘츠는 그레이스를 만나러 왔고
Hello, Grace.
So where are the hostages?
You probably thought that was gonna be you. Grace Lewis.
George Clements.
You hired us to do a job.
You fucked up. You left witnesses.
Did any other village ever refuse to sell you their land after that? Or Prime Minister could just...
Payment can be arranged. Brick gas, as if you well and truly fuck off.
Agreed. But I want wire confirmation in the next 30 minutes.
그렇게 이들의 대화는 끝이 나고
Get that?
Loud and clear.
Stand still. Pull the trigger and I'll detonate. Drop it.
We've agreed your 500 million. A bargain, really.
Understood.
Grace is gonna blow up the tunnel.
Threat.
I found the device. Tell Bissett to get the team in there now.
Bissett's dead, mate. Clemens orders the way out.
What? And let Grace blow up the tunnel?
This isn't about money, it's revenge. She's operating as if she's already dead.
No question, mate. How does she plan to escape?
그런데 사실 내부자의 정체는 톰의 동료 스미스였고
Yeah, all right, mate. Are you gonna blow the tunnel?
Awfully ungrateful for someone who just got promoted.
Declan, you're just a tiny part of this operation.
And you'll be too if we don't kill this player.
He's one of yours, isn't he?
Let's start with his name.
Tom.
So either you help me kill Tom,
Tom's girlfriend's on the train.
그레이스는 이제 소피가 톰의 여자친구임을 확신할 수 있었죠. 잠시 후 톰에게 문자가 왔는데 이는 함정이었고 톰은 자신의 위치를 보냅니다. 하지만 톰은 이것이 함정임을 눈치챘고
Sophie! Tom? She'd never leave a casualty behind.
how sweet, you know Sophie so well.
Let her go. Once she's gone, so am I.
We're more alike than you know. How many people have you killed?
I don't think about it.
Neither do I.
He switches line, he kills people. Just half an invitation to Paris.
그레이스는 톰이 자신과 같은 사이코패스임을 한눈에 알아봅니다.
Well, there's only one way to end this.
What are you doing, Tom?
To where a Eurostream train was hijacked.
Well, where the fuck is Clements?
Answer it. What was that explosion?
Was your man trying to rescue his girlfriend?
Your money's ready for transfer. Rick has just confirmed it.
결국 5억 달러를 그레이스에게 송금했고
The passengers are consolidated and we have the money.
What about the player?
We should assume he's still in the battle space.
I like your hoodie. Take it off.
Up you go.
All call signs, this is Alpha. The train is 2 minutes out.
밖에서는 인질들을 구하기 위해 대기 중이었고
Put the fucking mask on! Move!
Gas.
Get in! Sophie! Go! I'll take care of it.
톰을 가로막는 그레이스의 오빠 하지만 그는 톰의 상대가 되지 못했습니다.
The cockpit unmanned, on autopilot.
Stop. That's Eurostream static.
If you have grace, take the ship.
Safe passage.
Change your plan.
This is Alpha. Gonna drop the swans.
Sierra 5, Swans, coach 19.
Now, get your heads up.
That's the hostages exiting the Eurostream. All call signs is Grace sighted.
Sierra 5, Grace unsighted. Possible Swan, grey on black.
Sierra 1, female swan, white on grey.
About grace.
Unsighted.
이 시각 그레이스는 가스관을 통해 탈출 중이었고
No, I'll do it. Just let her go. There's a lot more to do.
I repeat, the device has
그레이스는 소피의 다리를 찌른 뒤 도주했고
Don't worry. This will stop the bleeding.
Drop her. I understand. Drop her. Go.
이 타이밍에 그레이스는 미리 만들어둔 영상을 언론에 뿌립니다.
By the time you watch this, I'll be dead.
이는 수상의 비리에 관한 내용이 담긴 영상이었고
You said clear the village, and we did. Your friends wrote the textbook for us, or could just admit that he hired us.
Good luck with the second term.
겨우 그레이스를 제압하는 데 성공한 톰.
Nicely played.
It's not a game.
If you were to drop me right now, would you think twice about it?
No.
Same way. It's a gift. A gift we both share. Most people are weak and filled with doubt. Tom, Sophie will eventually leave you. You are rare and special.
You're right.
You okay?
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to ask you. Will you marry me?
하지만 그녀의 대답은
You're not meant to be married. I know that now, and so do you.
I thought you understood.
I do. Oh my. Are you?
소피는 톰의 눈물을 보고 그의 진실된 사랑을 깨달을 수 있었죠.
I love you. Please, marry me.
A red notice has been issued today for former SAS commanders accused of aiding and abetting Grace Lewis, the main perpetrator.
The money, reportedly $500 million, is also missing.
얼마 후 둘은 결혼식을 올리게 되고
To have and to hold from this day forward.
I now pronounce you husband. You may kiss the bride.
그 순간 울리는 전화 한 통.
Yes, boss?
Are you married yet, or what?
You found the money. And Declan?
Can't be sitting on it.
Drop him.
You sure?
I never liked that little fucker. Drop him.
이렇게 영화는 막을 내립니다. 남아프리카를 이동 중인 의문의 차량들. 어느 한 국경 마을에 도착하게 되는데 한순간에 이곳은 아수라장이 되었고 한 차량만이 이곳에서 생존할 수 있었습니다. 그리고 이곳은 미국 플로리다 키스.
You ready to do this?
트래비스는 과거 사고로 사랑하는 아내와 아들을 잃었죠.
Can't believe it's been a year.
그는 국제용병 기업 레드마운틴의 암살자였고
You know, I feel like a prom date the day after.
가족을 잃은 뒤에는 일을 잠시 쉬고 있었죠.
Need you to kill somebody for us. Red don't want nobody else. They want you.
Thank you for the drinks. I'm leaving.
Wetzler's offering $1 million a day.
That is a suspiciously high number, even for him. And then you take your usual cut. You get that offer doubled, and I'm in.
There he is. Keith Zara. He's 26 years old. Scheduled to testify on camera for a UN investigation. And now Interpol, they've hidden him off grid.
레드마운틴의 기밀 정보를 폭로하려는 한 남자가 있었고
Somewhere in Africa. And
They underestimated one element. His name's Limp Bizkit.
국경 마을에서 타겟을 데리고 탈출에 성공한 여자가 바로 린이었습니다.
Half the U.S. Senate is beholden to bullshit. But they want him taken out.
린은 뛰어난 인터폴 요원이지만 아들이 있었고
When are you coming home, Mom? Tomorrow night. I promise. I ain't your baby.
남아프리카에 도착한 트래비스는 린에게 접근을 시도하죠.
Do you know an 11-letter word for traveling saint? I do a lot of traveling for work internationally.
하지만 쉽게 넘어오지 않았는데 그가 핸드폰을 조금 만지자 그녀가 탈 비행기가 취소되어 버리죠. 결국 다시 돌아온 린.
Saint Christopher. 11 letters. My son's name.
What happened? You missed your flight?
Cancelled. 1 p.m. tomorrow.
I know a much better restaurant than this. Can I take you out to dinner?
What happened to your hand?
A work accident. Don't you have someone back home?
I lost my wife and son a year ago this week.
그날 밤 린과 함께 시간을 보내는 것에 성공했고 다음날 아침 린의 핸드폰을 해킹해 타겟의 위치를 파악하는 데 성공합니다. 남은 일은 그녀를 처리하는 것. 하지만 홀로 아들을 키우는 그녀를 차마 죽이지 못했고 조용히 이곳을 빠져나오는데요.
Hey, salesman!
린은 뒤늦게 그의 정체를 알게 되었고 그녀의 총에 맞고 사망하게 된 트래비스. 그런데 정신을 차려보니 어느 한 실험실이었고
My name is Helen. I'm a doctor. Just stay here with me.
이 상황에 대해 설명을 듣게 되죠.
The Interpol agent. She shot you. She killed you. We just brought you back from the abyss, my Fred Mountain. They've been developing this procedure for...
레드 마운틴은 비밀리에 어떤 실험을 진행 중이었고 실험에 사용되는 어떤 기계로 인해 죽지 않게 된 트래비스.
Do you remember the location?
조직은 타겟의 위치를 알고 있는 그가 필요했고
1220 Market Room 102.
Good. This is on you. Kill Zara. You'll take care of her as well.
Yes, sir.
This is it, Travis. You're one hell of a weapon.
임무에서 린을 살렸던 그는 더 이상 조직의 신뢰를 잃었고
Hey, Jim, get me off this thing, huh?
You're never gonna leave this box.
오랜 기간 친구였던 짐도 기밀을 알게 된 그를 도와줄 수 없다 말하죠.
This is how it ends, buddy. I'm sorry.
Jim!
It's a very powerful narcotic. Such a waste.
하지만 이대로 당할 트래비스가 아니었고
It's happening to me.
You're gonna die. Your body will retreat. Drug cocktail, mental faculty.
How long do I have?
You have less than 24 hours to live.
Come on, move.
You're not supposed to be here. I'm hallucinating. Side effect of the drugs.
한편 타겟 제라는 인터폴과 접선하는 데 성공했고
One day we got a call for reassignment. Orders were to be in Namibia by next morning.
레드 마운틴의 비인륜적인 비밀 실험을 알게 된 그는 이를 고발하고 있었죠.
I was surprised when I was told to bring up heavy equipment. They took us out to a remote container hill. Every place was packed with them.
레드 마운틴은 외딴 국경의 사람들을 데려다 인체 실험을 하고 있었고
Noticing that each one had scars on their chests and
And how many bodies would you say?
I'd say at least 70. Ever get out of my head as long as I live.
Get down!
All right, move in. Take him out.
Roger that.
Let's go!
위기의 순간 트래비스가 나타나 린과 제라를 구해주었고
Not ever point a gun at me again.
상황이 급해 그의 도움을 받을 수밖에 없었죠.
What do you have on Red Mountain?
That's classified.
Damn, what the hell do you have on these guys?
트래비스는 이들을 통해 비밀 실험에 대해 알고자 했는데
You're gonna kill us all!
You'd be dead already if it wasn't. Would you two just get your fucking shit together?
지금은 이곳을 탈출하는 게 우선이었죠. 마침내 적들을 따돌리는 데 성공하지만 제라는 저격에 맞고 말았죠. 결국 제라는 사망하고 말았지만 그의 증언이 담긴 파일이 남아 있었고
Fucking memory card. Where is it? Get the fuck out of here.
제라를 죽였지만 메모리 카드를 놓친 것을 알게 된 짐.
What can I do for you, Mr. Morrow?
Green light Hong Kong.
Hello?
Can I speak to Travis, please?
Hello?
There he is. My friend, the dead guy. We've got our kid, Travis. You'll bring me the card. Just tell her to bring it in.
린의 아들이 납치당한 사실을 알게 되고
They've taken Christopher in exchange for the deposition.
자식을 잃은 슬픔을 아는 그는 린을 돕기로 결심하죠.
They're gonna bring him to their corporate headquarters. I know all their abduction protocols.
또다시 환영을 본 트래비스.
Let's go. Now I know the team is bringing in your son.
린의 아들을 구하기 위해 만발의 준비를 하는 트래비스.
Alright. I have somebody we need to go see.
군인이었던 시절 동료를 만나러 옵니다.
What do you know about Red Mountain? Over the past 2 years, hundreds of refugees have gone
They were
missing.
abducted and murdered by Red Mountain.
레드 마운틴은 앞에서는 마을을 지원하는 척하지만 뒤에서는 사람들을 몰래 납치해 실험을 진행했고
Let's go for a drive.
Let's hustle.
아침이 되자 레드 마운틴이 린의 아들을 데리고 접선 장소로 오고 있었죠.
Units 2 and 3, dismount, let me handle it.
Now what's your name again?
Call me Z. You see all these people?
마을 사람들은 레드 마운틴의 악행을 모두 알게 되었는데 어느새 트래비스의 몸은 한계에 다다르고 있었습니다. 정신을 차린 트래비스는 크리스토퍼를 구하기 위해 찾았고
There they are! Christopher! Mum? Mum, is that you?
다행히 아들을 구하는 데 성공한 린. 이제 그에게 남은 시간은 얼마 없었고
We need to get you to a hospital.
It's a little late for that. I still have some work to do. Come on. I hope you know I know every protocol for bringing in a You got it? Calm. Just be calm.
What's the status of the passenger?
Passenger secure.
모든 걸 끝내기 위해 레드 마운틴의 본부로 향하는 트래비스.
If you'd like to see tomorrow, okay, you just keep making.
This is not a kid.
There appears to be a disruption occurring at the north gate.
Sir, we have a situation at the front gate.
Patch me through to the gate.
Right away, sir.
It's over, buddy. You hear me? Give us the memory card.
We both know that's not true.
Move in and capture the driver of that vehicle. Make sure he's dead. What is that?
The security gate is down.
Open it!
It's him. He's still alive.
Sir, there's nobody in the vehicle.
He's trying to fuck with us.
Secure the room! No one gets in here!
Stay frosty, boys.
What are you doing?
I'm having a drink. You want one?
$1 million to the man who kills Conrad.
최후만을 남겨둔 순간 충격적인 말을 듣게 되는 트래비스.
He had no problem looking the other way.
사실 그의 아내와 딸은 사고가 아닌 레드 마운틴이 벌인 짓이었고 그의 절친 짐 또한 이를 알고 있었습니다.
Man with no family has nothing to lose.
You knew.
He didn't want you to quit.
You could have saved them.
It was protecting my family. It was mine or yours. Do it.
I don't want to kill you.
자신의 친구를 차마 죽일 수가 없었고
We've located the Interpol agent and her son.
I got eyes on him.
Negative. Stand down. Let him live.
짐 또한 트래비스를 위해 리네아이를 건드리지 않았죠. 그리고 자신들이 이렇게 만든 보스에게 복수하려 합니다.
Drop your fucking weapon!
보스와 짐은 함께 이곳에서 최후를 맞이하게 되고 트래비스도 이제 시간이 다해 죽음을 눈앞에 두고 있었죠.
Come here! Daddy got a fish! Adam! Adam!
Listen to the sound of my voice. You let me live, remember?
이어 또다시 살아나는 트래비스의 모습을 마지막으로 영화는 막을 내립니다.